What is up, guys? It's your boy Rex and welcome back to his channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys a brand new method you can go and use and earn some extra money very fast online. And this is a method many people are already using and they're already earning a lot of money online. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can go and copy and paste and start earning some extra money online for 100% free. So you don't need any money to go and get started with this particular method and start earning some extra money very fast online. So if you are going to follow exactly what I'm going to show you guys in this particular video and take action on the method, you're going to start earning some extra money online. So be sure to pay close attention and actually take action, because if you're not going to take any action, you're not going to see any results with this method I'm going to show you guys in this particular video right here. So the method I'm going to show you guys is a method you can go and earn up to $500 plus on Clickbank very fast. And this method right is copy and paste easy method. So I'm going to show you guys, and it's 100% free, so you don't need any investment to go and get started with this method and start earning some extra money fast online. So this is also very newbie friendly, so anybody can go and do this particular method. So there's no excuse for you not to go and take action on this particular method and start earning some extra money for 100% free on Clickbank. So lastly, all you're going to do is you're going to take action on this method, because if you're not going to take any action, you're not going to see any results as well. I'm sure to stay right to the end of the video, because I'm going to show you guys how you can go and use this method properly without getting banned. So be sure to pay very close attention, watch all the steps that I'm going to show you guys, so that you're not going to get banned from this particular method right here. So that's, guys, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel, so you're going to get notified when I post new videos that can help you guys start making some extra money online. So I post new videos every day. If you're going to watch these videos, take action on these different methods, you can use it and start earning some extra money online that many other students are using, and many of them are already earning some extra money online. So that's, guys, also want to learn the step-by-step method I'm using to make money every day consistently on Clickbank. Be sure to click the first link in the description. I'm going to show you guys the exact method I'm using to make money consistently on Clickbank that many students are using, and they're already getting results. So the training includes done for you campaigns and also has free traffic training. So you can go and get started with the free traffic training. You can go and get started with the profitable done for you campaigns that you can go and just copy and paste and run and start getting some sales very fast online. So that's, guys, so let's get into this video. Let me show you guys exactly what we're going to do to start earning some extra money like this very fast online for 100% free without any investment. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay, guys, so let's get into the video. Let me show you guys exactly what we're going to do from here to start earning some extra money fast on Clickbank. So the first step, as always, you're going to go to clickbank.com and you're going to go and sign up for a free Clickbank account that you can go and use and promote a lot of different products on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. So if Clickbank is not available in your country, you can go and use this method as well on Digital 24. You can still go and get a lot of results, as you're going to be using 100% free traffic, what I'm going to show you guys in this particular video right here. So the first step is you're going to go to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. I'm going to go and choose a high converting offer from here. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to show you guys how you can go and select the best products that's going to work very well with this particular method that doesn't have a lot of competition, and how you can go and get this free traffic and get a lot of sales very fast. So let's go to the affiliate marketplace. We're going to sort by gravity. It's going to show you all the highest selling products on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace right now that many people are promoting, and they're getting a lot of sales from promoting these different products right. You can see research is selling very well right now, and also has a very high gravity right now. So what you want to do from here is that you want to go and look for new products on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace that doesn't have a lot of competition. What you're going to do is you're going to scroll right down here. So if you go right down here, you can see date added to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. What you can do is I can go and look for products that has been recently added to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace, for example, in the last 1 month. So let's put example products that have been added, for example, in the last 1 month. So let's just leave it like this. It's around 1 month. So it's going to show us only new products that has been recently added to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace, right? So you can see these are new products, and you can see the top ones that are converting very well. So you can see you have sort by gravity. It's going to show you the top new products that have been recently added on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace that doesn't have a lot of competition, but are converting very well. So you can see this one. You can see this one is called Promit Complex. You can see it's going to pay you up to $109 per sale. So you can see it has a high gravity of up to 73, and this is a new product, so it's converting very well. And the main advantage is that this particular product doesn't have a lot of competition yet. So you can see this one, Synapse XT, is also going to pay you up to $131. So these are converting very well. You can see the gravity is up to 41 right here, which means that other affiliates are making a lot of money from promoting this product right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and promote these new products on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. So let me show you guys how you can go and find new products that has been recently added to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace as well. So what I can do is I can go to Google and type CB Engine. So you type CB Engine, you're going to find the website called cbengine.com, and it's going to show you a lot of products on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace that has been recently added to the marketplace that are converting very well. So let's go to cbengine.com. Once you go to cbengine.com, what you can do is I can go to new products. So let me show you guys. You can go and click, for example, right here on new products. So you can see CB new products right here. I'm going to show you the new products that has been recently added to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. You can see these are new products that has been recently added every day on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace right here. So what I can do is I can go and sort by gravity. So click by gravity. It's going to show you the new products that have been recently added to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace that are converting very well. So you can see these are other new products right here that have been recently added to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. I can see right here has a gravity of up to 36, which means that this particular product is also converting very well. So you can go and check the products. I can go and promote these products with less competition. I can go and make a lot of money from promoting these products as well. So what we're going to do from here is that we're going to go and choose one product. I'm going to show you guys how I can go and promote it with this particular method and get a lot of sales. So we're going to go back to the affiliate marketplace. We're going to go and choose this one, for example. So let's say we want to go and promote this product and say new products, so it doesn't have a lot of competition. So what they're going to do next, they're going to go and search this particular product on Google. So let me show you guys an example. So let's select this Promit Complex. I'm going to go and search this on Google, and I'm going to go and look for reviews of this particular product right here. So I'm going to go and add, for example, review. So let's add reviews. I'm going to go and click on search. I can see the reviews of this particular product right here. So you can see this one has been reviewed 12 hours ago because this is a new product on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace and it doesn't have a lot of competition like other products, for example, research on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace right here. So let's search this other product as well. So you can see this one, Snaps XT. So let's search this on Google. I can go and find the review of this particular product right here. So let me select this and search on Google. I'll just go and find the reviews of this. So let's search review. I can see right here, you can see reviews of people have created about this particular product right here. So what you're going to do from here is they're going to go and look for the reviews at the top and you're going to go and use it to promote this particular product right here. So let's say, for example, you're going to go and promote this one, Promit Complex Reviews. This one right here, Promit Complex. What I can do is I can see this review right is ranking at the top of Google, which means that the person has taken a lot of time to go and create this review. I can go and use this review as well to go and promote this particular offer using 100% free traffic. So let's say, for example, we're going to go and open this particular review. So let's see this review right here. Okay guys, so you can see that this is a review of this particular product someone has written right here and it's ranking at the top of Google. So you can go and use this particular review and promote these products as well because this particular article is going to go and rank very well. So what I can do from here is I can go and do a research on this review and can go and pay somebody, for example, on Fiverr to go and write a review about this product that's similar to this one so that it can go and rank at the top. Or if you don't have any money, what you're going to do is I can go and use this method I'm going to show you right here. I can go and promote this particular product as well for 100% free using this review right here. So this particular review is already ranking at the top of Google. So what I can do is I can go and use this review and promote this product right here. So what I can do from here next, I can go to Google. So you can go to Google and type, for example, Medium. You're going to find a website called medium.com. I can go and promote this products on medium.com. So be sure to pay very close attention because I'm going to show you guys how you can go and use this particular method without getting banned from medium.com. You can go and get a lot of targeted traffic for 100% free and still get a lot of sales using this method right here. So be sure to pay very close attention right here. So let's go to medium.com. You're going to find a website called medium.com. You're going to go and sign up for a free account on medium.com. I can go and write articles on this particular website for 100% free. So these articles that I'm going to write on this website, they're going to be indexed on Google. So you're going to be getting a lot of targeted traffic from Google as well if you're going to publish an article on this website. So I'm going to show you guys how you can go and input your article on this website without getting banned from this website right here. So let me show you guys how much traffic this website is getting every month. So let me show you guys. So I copy the URL and go to similarweb.com. So let me show you guys how much traffic is getting every month. So that's guys, so we go to medium.com. You can see right here, majority of all the traffic from this website is coming from the United States. So you go to promote your affiliate offer on this website, you can go and get a lot of targeted traffic and get a lot of sales because it's coming mostly from the United States right here. So I say this website is getting up to 193 million visitors every month, guys. Up to 193 million visitors per month. I can go and publish your articles on this website for free. Articles I was going to get ranked in Google, so I'm going to be getting a lot of free traffic from Google as well. So you're going to do next, you're going to go to this website. You're going to go and sign up for a free account. It's 100% free to go and join this website right here. I'm going to go and use these articles that are already ranking at the top of Google. I'm going to go and publish it on medium.com. I'm also going to rank on Google. I'm going to be getting a lot of targeted free traffic, guys. So you're going to use it once I've signed up for a free account on this particular website. What you're going to do is you're going to go and click on your profile. I'm going to go and click on a new story right here. So click on new story. It's going to enable you to go and write an article on this website for 100% free. So what I can do from here is I can go and write a review of that product on this particular website right here. But for example, we're going to go and click on right here. We're going to go and click on stories. So click on stories, not new story. Click on stories. I'm going to go and import this article right here on that website. So let's copy the URL of this review right here. So let's copy the URL. I'm going to go and click on import story from here. I'm going to go and input that URL right here. So that's guys, what we're going to do is we're going to go and input the URL right here. And we're going to go and import that article right here. So we're going to go and input that review right here. I'm going to import it on this website. I can go and edit and input that on affiliate links right here. I can go and rank very highly on Google and on Medium. I can go and get a lot of targeted traffic and get a lot of sales using this particular method right here. So you have some money. What I can do is I can just go and model these reviews and pay somebody on Fiverr to go and write these reviews for you. So for example, we're just going to go and use this one. So let's click on see your story. I can see how the entire article has already been imported on medium.com. So you can see it has already been imported on medium.com. So you have a chance to go and start ranking on medium.com as well, promoting this particular offer and also ranking on Google as well. So you can see right here, it's going to give credit to the original owner of the article right here. So you can see this is the original website of this review right here. So what you're going to do next, you're going to go and change the links and you're going to go and input your own affiliate links right here. And I'm going to show you guys how you can go and properly edit this article so your account is not going to get suspended on medium.com. So the first step is you're going to go to the affiliate marketplace. You're going to go and get your affiliate link. So let's go to affiliate marketplace. Let's click on promote. Let's input our affiliate ID right here. And let's input tracking ID, for example, Medium. So let me input, for example, Medium 1 and click on generate hub links. I'm going to go and get my affiliate link from here. So let me click on copy. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to go back to medium.com. In that article, I'm just going to go and edit this. I'm going to go and input my affiliate link right here. So let me select this. I'm going to go and click on link and input my own affiliate link right here. And click on enter. And that's the links already been added right here. So I'm just going to go and look for where the affiliate links right here. I'm going to go and change it to my own affiliate links right here. So let me go right down. Let me check for any other links right here. So that's guys at the end. I'm just going to leave a call to action, for example. Buy it here. So that's it. I'm just going to leave this as a call to action and I'm just going to go and input my affiliate link right here at the end of the article right here. So let me just select this and click on link. I'm going to paste my affiliate link as well and click on enter, and my link is going to be on this particular website right here. So I'm sure to pay very close attention right, because I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to properly use this particular method without your account getting banned from medium.com. So most of the times I publish articles on medium.com, your account is going to get banned. I'm going to show you guys how I can go and prevent it from getting banned from medium.com. So let me show you guys an example article right here. So let me show you guys. So this is a review about results right here someone has posted on medium.com. So you can see this is a review right here, and we'll scroll right at the bottom. You can see the person has input their affiliate links right here multiple times inside this particular review right here. So if you go right at the bottom of this page, you can see it has written a disclaimer right here. So you can see this article contains affiliate links. I will make a commission when anybody buys from it. So this is the reason that many of your accounts is going to get banned from medium.com, because many people don't include these disclaimers right here. So you're going to input this disclaimer, your account is not going to get banned from medium.com. So what you're going to do is you're going to write a simple disclaimer like this at the end of your article, so that Medium is going to know that you are using affiliate links in this particular article right here and can go and earn a commission from here. So you are not going to have any problems if you are going to input this disclaimer at the end of your reviews on medium.com. So this is very important right here. So you're going to go to the bottom of the article. So let's go right at the bottom of the article. We're going to input this disclaimer right here. So let's input this right here. And as you guys see, your disclaimer has been added, so you are not going to have any problems of your accounts being suspended on medium.com. So this simple method you can go and use and earn a lot of money very fast. Online, you can go and do this with multiple products. On Clickbank, you can go and earn a lot of money. So the more reviews that you input on medium.com, the more traffic you're going to get and the more sales you're going to make from this particular method right here. So what you're going to do that once you have edited all this and input your affiliate link, what you're going to do is you're going to go and click on publish. And as you guys, you can go and publish this on medium.com. So let's input tag, for example, Promit Complex. So this is one, for example, Promit Complex review. So consider Promit Complex. Let's input Promit Complex review. So that's guys, you can see we're going to input this relevant tags right here. So let's click on publish. And that's guys, is going to be published on your own page, and you can go and start getting a lot of targeted traffic from this particular website. And your article is also going to get ranked on Google, so I'm going to get a lot of targeted traffic from Google as well using this particular method I've shown you guys right here. So the simple method you can go and use and earn a lot of money from 100% free traffic, guys. And many people are using this particular method every day to get a lot of targeted traffic and make a lot of sales. As I've shown you guys right here, if you're going to take action on this method, you can go and earn a lot of money from 100% free traffic. So that's guys, so far about this video. Be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so I continue to make these videos that can help you guys start making some extra money online for 100% free. So that's guys, take action on this method, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.